Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be shown various different profiles that you can directly start matching with. Now, from the home page, if you wish to change your country that you are currently at, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on your profile. Now, from your profile page, if you scroll a little bit down, then you will be able to find your location option. Just tap on this and then use your GPS by tapping on go to current location, and based upon your GPS data, this will change your location and along with it your country as well. You can also tap on the ethnicity option to describe your origins. And there are also various different options such as bios, within which you can simply mention your profile and account details. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.